All right, we are at Central Park, the beginning of Central Park, 59th Street. You see the Columbus Circle here. We got the Trump Towers over there. Got a little free tour. So we're gonna take Central Park West all the way down to the end. I believe it's 110th. So this is 59th Street, and we'll take it all the way down to 110th Street. All right. Let's start this Central Park West tour. So for just in pricing, you got the meters here. This is the Trump International Hotel, and I'm blocking traffic. Let me get out their way. So yeah, this is Central Park West. There's a Central Park East and there's a West. We're on the west side, so that's why this is Central Park West. And this goes from 59th Street, and we head north all the way to 110th Street. That's what we'll be doing. There's a decent bike lane here. That's no fun doing that the whole time. With Central Park, there's a bunch of cut-throughs. This is the first one on 65th Street, but there's a bunch of cut-throughs to get to west to east. This is the first one, 65th. This is another cross through on 72nd. Right here we have the museum. This is the New York Museum of Natural History. Closer look. Thank you. So right here to the left, the museum. Not a good idea to get past all these kids. So let's try. There's another pass through on 79th Street right here. Can I make this? Yes, I can. Sorry about that camera glitch. Just straighten it out. Very windy out here, even though the sun's out. It's freezing. There's another cross through it. I believe this is 86. Yep. This is 96. I believe the last cut through before 110th. I'm not gonna make this. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Oh, she heard me. She just don't want to answer me. I want to ask what time it is. Sometimes you can't even do that to some people. I mean, you can't blame certain people. They just don't want to deal with nobody. Some people don't feel safe. But I really just need to know the time. My phone's in my book bag. I don't have a watch on right now. Hey boss, my phone's in my book bag. You know what time it is right now?
10:38.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Have a good one. All right, 10:38. If you're a guy, it's better off to ask a guy. Most of the time when you speak to women, they're probably gonna think that you're catcalling them. We're trying to get their number, so it's my mistake. So quiet, beautiful. That's why I like the winter a little, because everybody stays home. It's too cold to go out. I'm looking at Central Park right now. It's dead in there. I don't see a single person in there. I got a video on my channel. It's called the worst park in downtown Manhattan, and when I go through it, you don't see the reason why it's the worst park. In the summertime, it's just filled with drug addicts. So when I went through it, it was empty. All right, we're approaching the end of Central Park West. Oh, my fingers are freezing. So this is 110th Street right here, and this is the end of Central Park West. From here, Central Park heads towards east, and then it goes back down town, and that's Central Park East. We'll do that another day. This is Central Park right here, but we're not gonna go through it right now. I have an appointment, so it's almost up. Oh, so you see on the side, right, the sign right here, this is Central Park North. Central Park North is literally probably about like 5-6 blocks. Maybe we'll do a walking tour of Central Park North next time. But that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later.